Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate rise or lift to wake feature on your Android. So you can turn on, or the screen will turn on when you pick up your phone. So let's get started by open the setting button on your Android phone and try to search motion gesture, or you can type motion. This one, gesture and motion, or motion or gesture, is depend on your phone, and try to search the motion itself. This one, raise to wake or lift to wake, it can be different, so but the point is the same. You can turn this on, and also you can turn on the other option like lift to ear to answer the calls. It make you easier when you want to answer the phone or call. You just a raise your phone to your ear. And also the auto switch receiver, you can turn this on, automatically switch to the receiver when you leave your phone to your ear. And also flip to mute incoming calls. Just flip your phone, close your phone, or lift to ear to make calls. It's very easy, so you can try to make this practice. Try to use this Android feature optimally. Just use your gesture or motions. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.